I got so excited I accidentally hit stop recording. But yeah, I multiplied by 2 because I had one row of 8 to 6, and then I have 2 right here. Oh my goodness, that means that I could use cubes, double number lines, or a table to find equivalent ratios. You want me to prove it to you one more time? Sure, get these out of here. Instead now, what I'm going to do is I could multiply by 3. I could, but instead, what if I'm noticing something. If I break this into equal groups, and I break this into 2 groups, I have 2 equal groups now. Now here I have 4 blue for every 3 orange. 4 blue for every 3 orange. It's almost like I divided my ratio of 8 to 6 by 2 because I made 2 groups out of the one original group. And wait a minute, that means that this ratio is also equivalent, but I need to go back to the board to double check. Let's see. Wait. If this is 8 and 6, where would 4 and 3 be? Right in between the 0 and 8 is a 4, and right in between the 0 and the 6 is a 3. How did I know that? Well, because halfway between 0 and 4 is 8, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. And halfway between 0 and 6 is 3. So it's like, now I could count by 3s and 4s also. Oh my gosh, what that means I could do this. What could I do here? Oh, instead of multiplying by 2, I could just divide by 2 to create an equivalent ratio to 8 to 6 would be 4 to 3. Oh my gosh, it's magical. I wonder what would happen if I multiplied this whole ratio by 5. That would mean I have to have 5 of these. So then let's see. Oh, I got to put these back together. Sorry. Okay. All right, wait. Okay, 8 to 6. I have 8 blue for 6. What happens if I did another one of those on each? Well, we already know that. That's 16 to 12. So that's this one. Wait, I got to start rocking my right answers here. Let's see if chalk works on page. It does. So that one, good. Also, this one, good. What I'm noticing here is, what if I just kept going and I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these? What would that look like on my table? Well, it would look like I had 5 times 8, which would be 40, and then I would do 5 groups of 6, which would be 30. That means 40 to 30 is an equivalent ratio, because I could also do 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Oh my gosh, it's magic. It's magic. That means that this is also an equivalent ratio. I wonder why these aren't. The joy of math. Swish.